little bit. Finally getting back to the track today. We're heading up to Beaver Springs Dragway, Beaver Springs, PA. They're having their first Chevy day, at least the first one in a while. I think they used to have like manufacturer days, but yeah. So the event's called the Heavy Chevy Race. Open to any Chevy bodied or Chevy powered vehicles. 3 classes, I think: box, no box, and then factory stock class. That's what I'm gonna be running the Camaro in today. It really doesn't get any more factory stock than this car. So oh, they're having a quick 8 too. Quick 8's 8th mile, but I think it's 8th mile bracket, and then the other 3 classes are all quarter mile bracket. So we're heading up there today. It's supposed to be pretty warm, upper 80s. I haven't checked any weather yet, humidity or whatnot, but whatever. We'll car's seems to be pretty consistent as far as the weather goes, so it's probably going to be pretty similar to what I ran last time I had the car out, which was on 4th of July, so it's been over a month since I raced. So I'm going to say it's going to be going 1240s, low 1250s today maybe, but we'll see. But I'm on my way up, and then once we get there and get set up, I'll get back with you. Alright, so we're back in the pits there after the first run. Car went 1235, 114.88, 194 to 60. A little soft to 60. It's hot out. The street tires are half balled already at 3,000 miles. Yeah, so that's what it was, mile an hour in the cold in the spring when it went 1220s, when it wasn't really broke in. So yeah, I'm very confident this car's going 11s this fall. But yeah, nice top end pull. 806 was a little slow in the 8th, which could be a little soft off the line. 90.73. So yeah, there's only 2 of us in the class, so even if I lose first round, I guess I made the finals, unless someone else shows up, and then I can lose first round. But anyway, stay tuned. Hopefully get a bunch of passes in, and I can at least work on my reaction. Second pass, I went 1240, 114, 008 reds, around a 35 and a 40. It's getting warmer. I'm probably gonna put like a 42 on it. I think we're going to elimination. So I'm in the lanes here for round 1, which is really the final. 1242 on my LT1 going up against the 5th gen 6-cylinder 1540. I'm gonna be maybe doing some chasing. We'll see how this plays out. All right, worst case scenario, I'm runner up today, I guess. All right, so we're back in the pits here. First round, final, whatever you want to call it. I don't know where the car picked up. 60 foot. I left the way I should have as far as, you know, easing the full throttle at 191 160. I picked up like 500s to 60. Went through top end 12.32 with a 9, 113.69. I kind of lifted, pedaled, womped it, whatever you want to say, coming through the traps because I didn't think I was catching him. I didn't realize he red lit, but he red lit. And so that gave me the win. I wish I would have seen it. I just would have ran it out. Probably been my best pass of the day. So again, it's like, I don't even know, it's 2,500 foot DA right now, 80 some degrees. I forget humidity. But the car just went 1230, so this thing's going 11. So we're doing buybacks. I don't know if dude's buying back or not, and I realize it's a one round race, so it's really not much of an accomplishment, but it's kind of one of those boost your self-esteem, boost your confidence thing if I actually win this eliminator, because I haven't won an eliminator since Mother's Day 2017 in my truck, which ironically was the last Mother's Day I had my mom. So this one's for you, Mom. All right, so we're gonna head out here, get our winner's circle picture, and we'll be ready to hit the road. Okay, so we're on our way home here. Just got my winter circle pictures and stuff, and gonna head home. So that was an amazing day. Like I said, I know it was only a round, but it just felt good to actually win something, to be the last guy standing, even if there's only two of us. But yeah, so it's my first win since like May of 2017. So fortunately, a low turnout today. I know I was hoping for more, and I was talking to Mike, the track owner. He was obviously hoping for more. I'm not quite sure what happened, so hopefully they try again next year. Maybe some changes, whatever they may be. But kind of like days like this where it's not your typical, it's still bracket racing, but it's not your typical classes like I've manufactured there. I think they're cool, but I don't know, maybe I'm the odd man out here since a lot of people didn't show. But yeah, track was great as usual today, so shout out to Mike and Mikey, and I guess Moe's Performance or Moe's Auto Center chipped in some money for the payout, so that was cool. So thanks to them for supporting the track and everybody that came out. It was a good time. Like I said earlier, this is my first win since I lost my mom back in 2018. So Mom, this one's dedicated to you. I love you, and sorry it wasn't in a Mopar, but it was only a round, but we got her done. So I know you're looking down smiling today. So yeah, sorry guys, but yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was a short one. Hopefully make it out here. We're supposed to go to Test and Tune in like 2 weeks, and just me and some guys from work, some newbies getting involved, which is pretty cool. I do my part to get some people out and having fun. It's kind of cool. So hope I'll bring you some video from that. It'll be me, another Camaro SRT4 WRX. I think I have a Challenger coming, I'm not sure who else, but yeah, so thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and maybe I'll see you in the lanes. Thanks.